There's an old story that real estate people have told over generations about how their lives changed. And my life has changed. For 38 years selling real estate at the highest level, selling thousands of properties over my career, I have to tell you this. I'm an extreme statistical analyst, and I keep records like you just can't even imagine. So when I compiled this book, this is my 35th book I've written. Of the thousands of books that I've read, this book, say it sold 50 things you must do to close 100 properties in 1 year. This is my life story. This is how I got to the point of being in a different league from where I was when I started all those years ago. My first year I listed 36 properties, but I only sold 4. My height of my career, I sold 505 properties with me and my very little team, and we can help you get to those levels. The information is in this book. It's not found anywhere else. For the first time ever, I'm sharing this information with the world. You would want to get your hands on this. I look back and I think 38 years ago, if someone had written that book for me, I would have given anything for a small investment into your future. Right here, this is the book. NAR says the average realtor sells 6 properties a year. 6 properties a year. Here's the information. It's right here in detail. Exactly what you need to do step by step. It is not complicated. It's not technology overload. It is not massive websites and a bunch of throwing money out the window. No, it's not. This is the book for you. Call or text me anytime if you want to have a life-changing experience. I specialize in changing lives one sold sign at a time, and I want to change yours. Call, text, or email me anytime, and I'm ready to change your life. Get this book. It will change your life.